Imagine a motorhome so luxurious that it doesn't just feel like a home on wheels, it feels like a royal palace moving silently across highways, turning heads everywhere it goes. The Mercedes-Benz Grand Palazzo Imperiale 2026 is not just a vehicle, it's a statement of extreme wealth, innovation, and futuristic living. The moment you see it, you realize this is not designed for ordinary travel. This is designed for people who want to carry their entire luxury lifestyle with them, wherever they go. From the outside, the design looks like something straight out of the future. The aerodynamic body is sleek and smooth, with a glossy metallic finish that reflects light beautifully. The front cockpit is inspired by a jet aircraft, featuring a massive panoramic windshield that wraps around like a glass dome. This gives the driver a nearly 180-degree view of the road, making every journey feel cinematic. The LED lighting system is integrated seamlessly into the body, glowing softly at night and enhancing the futuristic appeal. Underneath this masterpiece lies a powerful Mercedes-Benz engineering platform. It is equipped with a high-performance engine capable of handling long-distance travel effortlessly, even with the massive size of this motorhome. The advanced suspension system ensures that even rough roads feel smooth, almost like gliding. Despite its size, the vehicle includes intelligent driving assistance systems such as adaptive cruise control, lane assist, and 360-degree cameras, making it surprisingly manageable to drive. But the real magic begins when you step inside. As the door opens, you are greeted by an interior that feels more like a luxury penthouse than a vehicle. The floor is covered in polished marble-style surfaces, and the walls are decorated with fine materials including soft leather, high-end wood, and golden accents that shine under ambient lighting. Every inch of the interior is carefully designed to reflect elegance and comfort. The living area is spacious thanks to expandable slide-out sections that increase the width when parked. Plush sofas line the space, upholstered in premium leather, offering unmatched comfort. There is a large smart TV integrated into the wall, connected to a premium surround sound system, transforming the living area into a private cinema. The lighting system is fully customizable, allowing you to change the mood from bright daylight to a soft, relaxing evening glow with just a touch. Moving further inside, the dining area features a beautifully crafted table surrounded by comfortable seating. This is not just a place to eat, but a place to enjoy fine dining experiences even while parked in the middle of nowhere. The kitchen is fully equipped with high-end appliances including an induction cooktop, microwave oven, refrigerator, and even a wine cooler. Everything is seamlessly integrated, maintaining the clean and luxurious aesthetic. The bedroom is where the Grand Palazzo Imperiale truly lives up to its name. A king-size bed sits at the center, surrounded by soft lighting and elegant decor. Large windows allow natural light to fill the space during the day, while blackout curtains ensure complete privacy at night. The mattress is designed for maximum comfort, ensuring restful sleep no matter where you are. One of the most breathtaking features is the bathroom. Unlike typical RV bathrooms, this one feels like a 5-star hotel spa. It includes a full-size shower with glass walls, a modern sink with premium fixtures, and even a toilet system that is both efficient and luxurious. The use of marble textures and golden finishes makes it feel incredibly opulent. Another highlight of this motorhome is the rooftop terrace. Yes, you heard that right. With the push of a button, a section of the roof transforms into a private sky lounge. This area includes seating, lighting, and sometimes even a mini-bar setup. Imagine parking near a scenic location, climbing up to your private rooftop, and enjoying the sunset from your own moving palace. Technology plays a huge role in this motorhome. The entire system is controlled through a smart interface, allowing you to manage lighting, climate control, security, and entertainment from a touchscreen panel or even your smartphone. The climate control system ensures perfect temperature regardless of the weather outside, while advanced insulation keeps the interior quiet and peaceful. Safety is also a top priority. The vehicle is equipped with advanced braking systems, stability control, and multiple airbags. There are also security systems including cameras and alarm systems to ensure peace of mind whether you are driving or parked. In terms of sustainability, the Grand Palazzo Imperiale incorporates modern solutions like solar panels and efficient energy management systems. This allows you to stay off-grid for extended periods without sacrificing comfort. Water storage and waste management systems are also designed for long-term travel. Of course, such luxury comes with a price tag that matches its exclusivity. This motorhome is expected to cost millions of dollars, making it accessible only to a select few. But for those who can afford it, it offers a